I'm finally taking one of your classes today.
I know, it's about time, man. How long have we known each other?
A few years.
Yeah, and how long have I been doing this? A couple years? Good Lord.
Yep, you heard it right. I'm finally taking one of Josh's Jeeping for Beginner classes where he teaches basic Jeep ownership as well as how to use your Jeep off-road. Today, he'll be taking us to Logandale. The Logandale trail system contains over 200 miles of trails and over 45,000 acres of recreation opportunities. It's suitable for a variety of OHV types as well as hiking and horseback riding. OHV stands for off-highway vehicles, in case you didn't know. Picnic and camping provide relaxing ways to experience the area. You can find more information about Logandale on blm.gov.
This embankment that we're about to hit is going to be really off-camber, but this is only about 8 degrees or less. But you'll see just how this feels versus flat ground.
As we ride through the trails and hit different obstacles, Josh continues to educate about simple facts in the area.
What the number one thing thrown out the window or left behind by off-roaders that is actually more detrimental to the environment than anything. Do you know what that is? Plastic bottles?
Yeah, I would say anything plastic.
Nope. Apple cores and fruit peels. Believe it or not. And they said the reason being is because most of those leftovers, like peach pits and apple cores and banana peels, contain seeds to grow new ones, and they are not naturally part of this environment. So if they were to root or start growing, actually changes the entire ecology of the desert.
I just gotta get out and film some of this stuff because it's really cool that out of nowhere on this big trail, they just put a bench just so somebody could sit. So I'm going to use it. This is a cool bench. Oh, I'm scraping. I don't like that sound. Ouch. What am I scraping on?
Well, luckily it's just a skid plate, so you're good.
I'm good? All right. Beautiful. So we drove the Jeeps to the top of the hill and positioned them for a nice little photo op. It was now time to eat as Josh and Heather prepared lunch for the group as part of the tour package. We had a beautiful view of the area from the top of our nice quiet little hill. I'm gonna put this on Josh's seat. If you guys saw one of my last episodes, you know what this is about. Let's see his reaction.
Really? So, it may be a joke between me and Stevens, but honestly, this is the best tool you could have off-road, especially for anybody over the age of 35.
Let me tell you something about karma. As we're coming down the rocks, I came down hard underneath, and I looked and I saw a drip, and now we took out the knee pad so we can just...
That's twice now. Twice that he has mentioned the knee pad, and we've actually needed it after he mentioned it.
All right, so I'm good, right?
Yeah, I think you're fine.
I'm throwing this thing away, bro. Calm down, calm down. I picked it up. I'm not gonna leave it in the desert. Sounds like he has hamster wheels underneath his Jeep. So we made our way to the other side of the mountain while riding the ledge. There was some heavy rain the day before and a lot of trails were closed because of it. What you're looking at is the aftermath of the sheer force of water that ran down the mountain. Here are some more views of part of the trail system from our vantage point.
Can't go around. Or we can keep trying, whatever you'd like to do.
Nah, dude, because there's this sharp edge right here. If you kick your wheel here hard, it's going to cut your tire.
All right,
Nah. You got room. You got room. Keep going. Keep going. Stop, 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 stop. If I didn't stop him in time, there would have been a hole right in that soft top. From hard rock to soft sand, Logandale has so many different terrains. You can take a pick of what type of driving mood you're in. These are some of the great features that make wheeling so much fun out here. Josh definitely picked a good location to hold his class. Just when we thought it was smooth sailing, this happened. Guys, there's somebody up there calling for help. That dude was screaming for bloody murder. I thought somebody was trapped underneath his side-by-side or something. Turns out he just got high-centered and he's a little stuck. He'll be all right. Okay. After we got him out, it was right back into the sand to have some more fun on our way to the last obstacle. So we're at the gatekeeper right now, and Josh is briefing everybody on pretty much how to take the angles. If you need a spot, he'll be there for you. But from what I understand, out of everything that we've done, this will be the hardest thing that we've done all day. But it's still not that hard. So he got stuck. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
That little thing's badass.
I just wanted to take the time to show you guys what we were dealing with. Nothing too crazy, but it is an obstacle at that. Oh boy.
Wait till you see that.
This was, without a doubt, one of the best days I've ever spent learning new things. We had a blast. Everybody was great. Much thanks to Josh for being patient with us. Much thanks to Stevens for not running us over from behind when we got a little slow. This was a great learning experience. If you have any question whatsoever about improving your ability to drive a Jeep, you need to take this class.